All right, we are on air.
Woohoo!
Any questions about the homework?
No, not that I have anyways.
Okay.
Do
So
you have any questions?
I don't have any questions.
Okay. All right, so you were saying something, sorry?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no, you're fine. Okay. So should we just start the quiz then?
Yeah, we can start doing it.
Okay.
Well, we're back down to 18 questions, so that's good.
Good.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Alrighty, so are we all on question 3 then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the question says, in an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null
Mm-hmm.
when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others.
True?
I think so. If not, we know it's false if we miss it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it says what requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test. Mark all that apply. Sample means are all positive. Data in each group are normally distributed. Variance are equal in each group.
So I know it's definitely that it's normally distributed and variances are equal,
Okay.
I think. I'm
Uh,
not sure about the all positive.
I don't think it would all be positive.
Not necessarily. Depends on the data.
So we're going with the middle and the last one. Okay.
All right. And then to check if each group is normally distributed, you do a QQ plot, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then we assume the variance is the same in each group if the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance, right?
Can you repeat that again?
It's just question 6.
Okay. Well, you said that the answer is the second one?
Uh-huh.
I believe so. I'm not quite for sure.
I think it's 2 times.
So you think it's the third one where it's the largest sample mean is less than 2 times the smallest? Okay.
Well, I know it's definitely the second one, just because of all the reading in the videos.
The video that I watched just said 2 times.
What?
In the video that went along with the practice thing, it said 2 times.
Mine said 4, so I don't know.
With that one, it's we reject the null if bigger standard deviation is twice than the smaller deviation.
But this isn't the standard deviation. This is the variance.
Oh,
Okay. So now it says an ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-test between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
4?
Wouldn't there be more? Because you have 1, so you have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then you have 2, 3, and 2, 4, and then 3, 4.
6.
I believe. Yeah. Okay. So now it says.
Wait, I think there's more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Then you do it.
Alrighty, so now it says that we're using the soccer shoes Excel seed was collected to help determine how the design of a soccer shoe affects the accuracy of a kick. There are 5 types of shoes labeled A, B, C, D, E, and also just wearing socks for a total of 6 groups. Each row represents a kick from 10 meters away from a target that was hung 115 centimeters up from the ground. The column accuracy is the distance in centimeters, where the ball impacted the target to the center of the target. So smaller numbers are more accurate. Use this scenario above to answer the next 5 questions. So what is the minimum variance for the 6 groups?
What Excel sheet are we supposed to use for this video?
So we're using the soccer one,
No, like for the other video.
and then I think it's the same one that we've been using.
I think so.
I believe so. And then under the ANOVA, I believe, right? Okay.
Okay, let me know when you guys have all this stuff copied and pasted. No.
I'm almost there. I have 2 more to go. We only have 5 variables, right?
6.
Yeah, with the sock as well. Okay. Okay.
All right, you got everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, question 8, what is the smallest variance? I got 27.208.
Um, 27.208, right?
Yeah.
And then the maximum,
Mm-hmm.
53.158.
Yeah. And then the test for equal variances is satisfied for this data. True?
Why is it true?
Because it's not 4 times the smallest one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now it says to construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plots. True or false?
So, have to open up that first one, the quantitative data sheets. Something keeps rubbing against your microphone and it's being really weird.
Probably my hand, moving it all over the place.
Sure. I'm not sure I remember how to get back there. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And if you're trying to sort them from largest to smallest, you just click on editing and it'll give you the option.
Okay.
And they're normal, right? You guys are getting that they're normal?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah. As long as they're like right skewed, which actually means that they're higher on the left and lower on the right,
Mm-hmm.
then and I think most of them are. So I'm just going to put true for that question. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, we agree.
Okay. So then question 15.
Question 15?
Yeah.
All right, so what did you get for question 12?
12, I got 0.309.
Okay.
And then for 13, the p-value is always to the right of the F statistic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so question 14, that's what I meant.
I was like, wait a minute.
My bad. Okay. So we get the data from the hot dogs.
Ooh, weird.
So I think sometimes my Excel just kind of like decides to hate me because I put in the data and for a lot of the boxes it just has #ref.
Okay.
So I don't know what that means.
We don't know for sure.
It's happened to me a couple times, but I don't know why.
I think it might be like part of like the equation. Like either it doesn't know what it's doing or it was put in wrong. I don't know.
That could be it. I'll try it again. Okay. I did it again. Okay, so for question, we're on 14, right? Okay, so I did the QQ plots for the calories,
Yeah.
and they all look pretty normal.
Okay.
So for the calories, at least the assumptions have been met. I think it's safe to assume that each group comes from normally distributed population.
Okay.
I don't know what that has to do with the variance, though.
Nor do I.
Clara,
Mhm.
any inkling?
I'm trusting you at this point.
I'm just gonna put the first one, if that's okay,
Okay.
and see how it goes. Okay, so for question 15, we put the data in the ANOVA thing. Okay, so it even tells us the information that we should have is that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51, and that F equals to 16.074 and P equals to 0 with a level of significance of 1.05. Just 0.05. And then, so since it's 0 and the level of significance is 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis, right?
Um, can you repeat that again? Sorry.
It's just we reject the null hypothesis. So it would be the first one that we have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same number of calories.
Okay. I believe so.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay, what question are you on?
Still on 16, right?
Yeah. Okay, so for 16, I just put the first one.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. And then number 17, I got the p-value was 0.179.
Mm-hmm.
And then for number 18, since it's 0.19 and our level of significance is 0.05,
Mm-hmm.
it'd probably be, that's where you fail to reject the null, right?
I believe so. Yeah.
Would that be the third one down?
I believe it is.
Okay. Ready to submit?
Ready or not, here we go. The third one. 'Cause that- So we missed 15
Yep.
and 18.
Yep.
Got a 90%, so that's cool.
Pretty good. All right. Oh, 18 must have been the second one. Or I don't know. I don't know. I'm confused.
Maybe they were flip-flopped?
Maybe.
Who knows? So I guess next time we meet, so it's not like a kind of like a quiz, right? Or
What?
so for next time, since there's not a place like to put our video, is like a quiz also with it, or is it?
I don't know. Because I know it's test time next
Mhm.
time. So I'm not entirely sure the procedure there.
All right. I do know that there's like a group meeting tomorrow at 1.
Yes.
Or not like a group meeting, but like a class meeting.
Yeah. So maybe we can ask her then.
What was that? Sorry.
Oh no, you're fine. So I'll turn in the thing and see you guys on Thursday.
Okay. Have
Okay.
fun.
Bye.